Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Carlo Gechkome, an Enugu-based fashion designer. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I drafted this off-white outfit I am wearing. Before I start, I want to inform you that to draft the pattern of this outfit, the front panel will be drafted like that of a button-down shirt. So to start, I'll be measuring out 2 inches, which will serve as center line from here down to the possible baseline. You know, this is the same thing you do while drafting a shirt pattern. The difference now is this one will be joined together while sewing. After that, through a line connecting all the markings. However, to outline the neckline, I will measure out 2 inches by 2 inches at this point. And then rule the lines to connect the markings. Moving on, I will measure out the shoulder line, which is 19 inches, which when divided by 2 is 9.5 inches. Also add 0.5 inches for the sewing allowance. While you watch me mark out the measurements, I will use this opportunity to thank you all for watching my contents and reacting to them, and also implore you to share my videos and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. So with that being said, I will go on to measure out 10 inches starting from the shoulder down. This will help me derive the chest line and the armhole length. To outline the shoulder line, I'll measure out 1.5 inches from the top part of the armhole line. After that, I will rule a slanting line from the neckline down to the armhole. After that, I'll measure out 10.75 inches for the chest size. And also add 1.5 inches for the ease allowance. So to get the armhole curve, I will mark out 5 inches from the length of the armhole. And then draw the armhole curve. So for the armholes, I'll be outlining 2, that is for the front and back panels. After that, I'll mark out the length of the shirt. This is where the magic is. Are you new to my channel? Here on this channel, I do mostly DIYs and create my own designs. If this is something that interests you, please do subscribe to my channel and also leave your notification bell on so you'd be the first to be notified whenever I make posts. So going on, I'll rule a line to connect the baseline markings. Oh, I am so sorry, I forgot to add 2 inches folding allowance to the length of the shirt. So I'll add it now. That's the 2 inches folding allowance. After that, I'll mark out the size of the shirt, starting from the chest line down to the base. After the markings, I ruled the line to connect them. Hello guys, I hope you're understanding what I'm doing. This video is not just going to teach you how to draft this particular shirt pattern, but expose you to create your own designs. So this is the front panel of the shirt borders. Next, I'll be moving over to the neckline to draw the arc for the neck and mark out 5 inches for the chest opening, and then rule a slightly slanted line from the neck line down to where I marked out 5 inches. Then make an arc right under the neckline and joining the slightly slanted line. After that, I went down to the baseline to make an arc at the point where the baseline and center line met. Then I moved to the side of the base and marked out 1.5 inches upwards and drew the line from the arc to where I marked out 5 inches. Then I extended the center line further down because that is where the actual magic is. So for visibility purposes, I used a colored marker to re-outline the lines before cutting out the pattern. So now pay attention to how I fold the center line, including the extensions, into the borders of the shirt. I hope this video is insightful. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Also share to your friends and enemies. So this is how the base and neck of the shirt will look like after sewing. Okay, thank you for watching and stay tuned. Bye.